Hi guys, I'm Stefan. Welcome back to another lesson in my Burgmuller's Opus 100 for solo learners course. In this video, we're going to learn number 18, Restlessness. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. And if you'd like to get this special edition of Burgmuller specifically for solo learners, links will be below too. So number 18 is all about finger dexterity, very clean articulation and lightness, and really keeping a very even sound all the way through these endless 16th notes or semiquavers. It's one of those studies in the book that goes really fast, and speed, as always, comes with time, so you have to be very patient, start very slowly, and really listen out for the evenness of the sound and making sure that the hands are relaxed all the way through. And if you can play it through from the beginning to end very slowly but evenly, only then can you go ever so slightly faster each time. So please be patient and don't go fast right at the start. So let's have a look. The first A section is the first 8 bars, which gives us the theme. It's in E minor, so we're going to have an F sharp in the key signature. Every F is going to be sharp, and we're in 2/4, so 2 quarter note beats in every bar. It says at the start allegro agitato, which means agitated, so fast and agitated. The metronome mark 138 is very, very fast, but even if you play it slower at 120 or 125, it's still really, really useful and it still sounds really good. So you don't necessarily have to get to 138, it's just a guidance. Anything around that number is going to be very good for your technique and also is going to be an enjoyable performance. Now, the entire piece is based on one pattern. So if you understand the rhythm in the first bar, you technically know the entire piece, at least rhythm-wise. So what you can see is that the left hand is playing staccato chords, which are all eighths, so there's an eighth rest, but since it's a staccato, you don't really need to count that, so it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the right hand is going to play a group of 4 16th notes where the first one is always a rest. So the left hand is technically filling in for that first missing 16th note for the rest, and the two hands have to form a perfect group of 4 16th notes, and there cannot be any delay between the two hands. Let's play through the left hand first, that's the easier one. So we start in this E minor chord, and then we have an A minor chord, which is E, A, C, 1, 2, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5. Now, whenever you play these left hand chords, make sure the wrist is really soft. You have a rounded hand shape, and all 3 notes go down perfectly together. And then you can start trying these staccatos, which is going to be a forearm staccato, so the entire hand has to bounce up because you've got 3 notes at the same time. So lots of energy, but also clarity at the same time. So let's see. 1, 2, back to E. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have a B major 7, a dominant 7th chord, so D sharp A B, 1, 2, and back to E minor. Then we have an F sharp B, and we're going to have an F sharp A sharp E held. It's going to be a quarter note, 2 and staccato, 2 and staccato, and down an octave B, and that's it, that's the left hand. So really it's just about accuracy and lightness in those chords, but nice bounce to it because it's driving the rhythm all the way through. The left hand is like your metronome. The right hand, as I said, is going to be in these 3 note patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, where the 1 is always the rest because that's going to be the left hand chord. Now, this one is quite easy in itself because it's all stepwise melodies in the first section, in the first line. So we've got a descending 3-note scale, and it's always starting on number 3. Now, here the difficulty is to keep it even. So you're going to drop and bounce, drop and bounce, but connecting those 3 notes. So drop and bounce, drop and bounce. A nice legato on those 3 notes. And again, playing with the fingertips. I can't stress this enough because it's going to get really fast and you need that precision in the key attack. You don't want to play it like this, but instead And then the fingering, again, you can go with what you see in the book, or if you find something that works better for you, by all means go with it, but stay consistent. So let's see the right hand from beginning to end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and now B going to an A sharp, and B to C. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the pattern changes in bar 5. It's going to be a 6 up and then a semitone down. So we're going to do a little bit of wrist motion here, a little bit of rounding, especially because we're finishing on a black note. So see, my wrist is following this pattern, and then F sharp, and then number 2 and the D, C sharp, and octave. B, A sharp, octave. And that's the right hand. Now when you put it together, as I said, the left hand is going to bounce very nicely, and the right hand comes straight on the second beat. Because many times when I hear students play this piece, it sounds like this, where basically they break it into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, but it shouldn't be like that. There shouldn't be a break between the left and the right hand. So count to 4, 1 for each 16th note or semiquaver, and do it like this very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this way it's perfectly even. You won't make a mistake in the rhythm. And if you really engrave this rhythm into your hands, then you can start going faster and faster. And so let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the B chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. And now comes the B and the F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, holding the F sharp chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the B's meet, and that's the end of the first section. So this is basically the technical challenge all the way through, combining the two hands together so that they form a unity. It doesn't feel like two disjointed hands. There's no hesitation in the rhythm between the two hands, and it stays even. The left hand is bouncing and the right hand is doing these beautiful runs of 3 16th notes. Let's go on to the B section. I'm not going to talk about the technique anymore because it's the same from now on, but we just go into a different harmony. Here we go into G major. So we're going to do, again, 8 bars, and left hand starts in this G major position. And here the best, I think, is 1, 2, 4, because then we're going to go to A sharp, C sharp, G, A sharp, C sharp. So 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. You could do 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, but whichever works better. It's quite an awkward position, so find the best fingering that works for you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same again. 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have a D7, F sharp, C, D. 1, 2, G major. 1, 2. Going to the treble clef, B7, 1, 2, and E minor. That's it. Right hand is going to start on the B, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have again the wrist movement, the big interval followed by the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now B and A. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have a diminuendo e poco rallentando, so slowing down a little bit and getting quieter. The first section, the A section, was quiet, the B section is medium loud, and then here we get quieter when we go back to the C section. So hands together, starting G major and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the B section. So slowing down a little bit there and getting quieter, and back to the C section, which is full speed on. So the C section, let's play it until the repeat sign. There is a first and second repeat. In my performance, I left out the first repeat to kind of shorten the piece a little bit. But if you perform it, do the first repeat and then the second repeat. So we're going to do it until bar 24. So left hand goes back. It's the exact same as the start, with the difference in the final 2 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now jumping down to the B7 chord, 1, 2, and E. So that's the only difference between the A and C section, is this B chord here in the bottom. Right hand starting on the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a B, F sharp, and E. So finishing on the tonic, E, D sharp, E octave. Again, crossing over. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the same. The B chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E chord. B chord again. And then here, when you repeat it the second time, you're going to go on to the final, let's call it coda, which is still part of the C section, which is the ending. So let's do that now. So left hand finishes here on this E, G, and then number 2 on the C forte and legato. So the left hand takes on a beautiful melody. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And then an E chord and the final E. And that's the left hand. So a beautiful legato here. Again, some wrist movement. And the right hand is going to carry on with the same pattern. So right hand starts on the E, 1, jumping down to the C, A, B, E, C, A, B, and finishing on the E. So always number 2 and just going up and down. So it's almost like a little trill. And then up an octave, B, staccato, and another octave higher. And again, getting quieter as we approach this ending after this very loud section. Hands together. 1, loud. Keep it left hand legato. And that's the end. A beautiful piece in the book and a very showy piece. You can really work on virtuosity in this study. But as always, start very slowly. I can't stress this enough because speed comes with lots of practice and very focused practice and getting rid of any tension in the hands. If you play with tension, it's going to build up so quickly throughout these very quick notes, and it's going to hinder your evenness, and it's going to make you feel very tired very quickly. So relaxation of the wrists, rounding of the hands, and supporting the fingers. I hope you'll enjoy this study, and I hope you'll enjoy performing it, not just the learning part. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, subscribe for more.